Toyota has unveiled the 2024 Tundra 1794 Limited Edition at the State Fair of Texas, showcasing a blend of luxury and ruggedness. This special edition, Tundra, features a unique ultra-premium leather interior, developed in collaboration with the Saddleback Leather Company, and enhanced off-road capability with Fox shocks and a lift. The exterior is distinguished by blackout accents and an exclusive stamped tailgate, adding a touch of exclusivity to the vehicle. Only 1,500 units of this edition will be produced, each powered by a standard iForce Max powertrain, producing 437 horsepower and 583 pound-feet of torque. The 1794 Limited Edition is a new take on the iconic 1794 grade, named after the ranch on which the San Antonio plant that assembles the Tundra was built. It focuses on delivering an elevated premium leather interior experience and enhanced off-road capability, making it a unique offering in the Tundra lineup. The vehicle comes with a Crew Max cab, 5.5-foot bed, four-wheel drive, and several matching Saddleback Leather Company accessories, including a large overnight bag, tool roll, owner's portfolio, key glove, and a small pouch. In addition to the luxurious interior, engineers have also focused on enhancing the vehicle's performance. The truck features upgraded Fox suspension and an off-road-inspired wheel and tire combination, improving the stance and off-road capability of the vehicle. These features, along with the 1.1-inch lift, make the Tundra 1794 Limited Edition a formidable option for off-road enthusiasts. The vehicle also features unique exterior design elements that set it apart from other models. These include a dark chrome grille, body-side moldings, blacked-out accents, and a unique stamped tailgate. Inside, an embossed label marks the truck as one of the 1,500 units, adding to its exclusivity. The Tundra 1794 Limited Edition is available in colors Wind Chill Pearl, Midnight Black Metallic, Blueprint, and Smoked Mesquite. The Tundra 1794 Limited Edition will be available in dealerships in the spring of 2024. Toyota, a company with a significant presence in the U.S., is known for its commitment to advancing sustainable next-generation mobility through its Toyota and Lexus brands. With the addition of this special edition Tundra, Toyota continues to offer a diverse range of vehicles, catering to different customer needs and preferences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.